Hi everyone, today I'm so happy because I'm going to be making a blueberry mousse and it's going to be so yummy. And it only takes 3 ingredients: double cream, lovely blueberries, which are one of my favorite fruits. I love blueberries, they're so yummy. And some freshly squeezed lemon juice. It's so quick and simple, but the results are going to be so fabulous. Put your blueberries and freshly squeezed lemon juice in a blender and blend until you get a nice smooth puree. Get in all those blueberries into the blender. Now I like this consistency, but you can strain the puree if you'd like. But I love the blueberry puree just the way it is now. It's perfect. Whip the double cream until soft peaks form, but be careful not to overmix. That looks so yummy and delicious. Fold in the whipped cream into the blueberry puree. Remember to fold in a quarter first and then the rest, as this will make it easier to add in the rest of the whipped cream and will also keep the mousse nice, creamy and smooth. Put the mousse in a glass. Decorate your lovely mousse with some white chocolate. Put your mousse in the fridge to set. Our lovely blueberry mousse has set, and now I'm going to do some tasting because it looks so good. Oh my goodness, look at that. Beautiful texture, and I bet you it's going to taste so yummy. Okay. This is actually so good. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, you can hit the like button and please subscribe. So yummy. So good.